taxi driver.
Hello, taxi? Are you free?
Yes, where are you going?
I want to go airport.
Say, I want to go to the airport.
Oh, I want to go to the airport.
Perfect. Which airport?
City airport, please.
Okay, please get in.
Thank you. I have luggage.
No problem. Put it back there.
Can we leave now?
Yes, I'm starting.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Is traffic bad now?
A little. Not too bad.
Please drive carefully.
Of course, always safe.
I feel nervous today.
Are you flying somewhere?
Yes, my first trip alone.
That's exciting.
I hope I'm not late.
We have enough time.
Good. That helps me.
Relax and enjoy.
Do you go there daily?
Yes, many times.
Airports are always busy.
Very busy, especially mornings.
I forgot my water bottle.
You can buy one there.
That's true. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are we close now?
Yes, almost there.
Great. I feel better.
Good. Safe trip.
Ordering at McDonald's. Hello. What would you like?
I want burger?
A hamburger or cheeseburger?
The cheese one, please.
Medium or large?
Medium, thank you.
Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
We have bottles or cups.
Bottle is good, thank you.
That's $15, please.
Do you have ketchup?
Yes, many packets. Free.
Oh, very good.
Enjoy your meal, Sophia.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you.
Missing a flight. Are you okay?
No, my flight, it departed.
When was your flight?
7 o'clock. I am late.
Don't worry. Let's check.
Can I catch it?
No, sorry. The plane left.
Oh no, what do I do?
You need another ticket.
Is it very expensive?
Sometimes. Go to customer service.
Where is customer service desk?
Over there. Red signs.
Thank you. You are kind.
Good luck with your flight.
I hope so. Goodbye.
Lost luggage at airport?
Hello. How can I help?
My suitcase. My luggage. I cannot find it.
Lost luggage? Let me help you. Which airline?
American Airlines. Flight 247 from Mexico.
What does your suitcase look like?
Red. Big red suitcase. With my name, Julio.
Red suitcase. Describe more. Any marks?
Marks like stickers. Yes, many stickers.
Stickers help identify. What airline route? Mexico?
Yes, Mexico City to Chicago 3 hours ago.
Checking system. Found it. Still in Chicago warehouse.
Really? You find it? Where is it?
Baggage office. You can pick it up. Over there.
Thank you. Oh, thank you so much.
Welcome. No problem. Luggage comes late sometimes.
I am so happy. Everything is okay.
At the vegetable market. Good morning. Looking for vegetables?
Yes, please. I need tomatoes.
Red or green tomatoes?
The red, please. How much?
2 pounds per kilogram.
How many tomatoes is 1 kilo?
Maybe 6 big tomatoes.
Okay, I want 1 kilo.
Anything else today?
Yes, the green, the lettuce.
Lettuce. Good choice. Fresh today.
Perfect. How much is the total?
£5.50, please.
Here. Keep the change.
Thank you, Maria.
Have a nice day.
At a car rental?
Welcome to Car Rent. Need a car?
Yes, I want to rent car for 1 week.
1 week. Great. What size? Small or big?
I don't know. Small? I like small cars.
Small is good. Economy car. Cheap and save gas.
Gas? You mean petrol? Fuel?
Same thing. Petrol, gas, fuel, all same.
English is confusing. And insurance? Do I need?
Insurance is good idea. Protect car. Protect you.
How much is insurance? Extra?
$30 per day. Good price for protection.
30 per day, 1 week. That's 200?
You do math. Yes, 200 exactly.
And the car, how much total? Everything.
Car is 300. Insurance, 200. 500 total.
Oh, expensive, but okay. I need car.
Asking for Wi-Fi password.
Excuse me, can I ask something?
Of course. What do you need?
The Wi-Fi. Internet. What is the password?
Password. Here. Wi-Fi underscore cafe 2024.
That's long. Can you spell it, please?
WIFI underscore cafe. Wait. Capital C.
Okay. Slow, please. Again?
Capital WIFI underscore CAFE underscore 2024.
Okay. I'm typing. It says wrong password.
Wrong? Let me look. Oh, capital C. Try capital.
Capital C? I did capital. Let me try. Ah, A. French E with accent.
Accent? What is accent? Little mark. A, not E. See?
Oh, I didn't know. Thank you.
Now you have internet. Work, enjoy.
At a garden center.
Hello. Looking for plants?
Yes, I want plants for my home.
Home plants. What kind? Flowers or green plants?
I don't know. What is easy for beginner?
Beginner? Lucky. We have easy plants here.
What is easy?
Snake plant. Very hard to kill. Showing.
Hard to kill? That's funny.
It means you cannot kill it easily. Very strong.
Oh, strong plant. I like it. How much?
$12. And this one, pothos. Also very easy.
They look same.
Different, but both easy. You want both?
Can I keep them alive? I'm not good with plants.
I promise. These plants survive anything.
Okay, both. And soil. I need special soil?
Regular soil. Over there. cheap. You ready?
Yes, thank you. My home will be green now.
Renting an apartment.
Welcome. This is the apartment I tell you about.
Oh, it's very nice, big.
1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, kitchen. Is nice, yes?
Yes, nice. And how much? The rent.
$1,200 per month. Cheap for area.
1,200. That is expensive for me.
Expensive? It's good price. In Vancouver, very normal.
And the window, good light?
Perfect light. South facing. Very sunny morning.
And can I stay here one night? Test?
No trial, but you can visit again.
And utilities? Water? Electricity?
Included. All included in 1,200.
Included? Really? Everything?
Everything. Water, electricity, heating. You just pay rent.
That's better, I think. Yes, I want this apartment.
Booking a restaurant reservation.
Buonasera, Mario's restaurant. Reservations?
Hello? Yes, I want to make reservation.
Reservations. See, welcome. How many people?
4 people, me and 3 friends.
4 people. What day and time?
Saturday 7? Is that good?
Saturday 7. Perfect time.
And what is your food? Is it Italian?
Of course, Italian. Best Italian in New York.
I love Italian. Pasta and other things?
Pasta, pizza, everything. You come hungry.
I will come very hungry. Your name?
Giovanni. I am chef here. And your name?
Priya. Priya. Do I need to bring anything?
Just yourself and your appetite. Saturday 7.
Happy. Thank you. See you Saturday.
At a print shop.
Hi, welcome. What can I print for you?
I have document. I want copies.
Copies. How many copies?
Hesitant. 20 copies? Is that okay? Not too much?
20 is easy. No problem at all.
Giving document. Here, can you copy this?
Looking. Yes, very easy. Black and white?
Black and white? Not color?
Color is more expensive. Black and white, cheap.
Thinking. Black and white is fine. How much?
20 copies, 50 cents. Very cheap.
50 cents. Excited. That's so cheap.
Copying. I do this now. 2 minutes.
Waiting. Can I, while I wait, use your toilet?
Toilet? Haha. Bathroom. Over there.
From bathroom.
Done. Right now. Here.
Asking about a job interview.
Welcome, Carlos. Sit down, please.
Thank you. I am excited, but nervous.
Don't be nervous. Tell me about yourself.
I come from Mexico. I speak English and Spanish.
Bilingual. That's excellent. Why do you want this job?
I want to learn and work and help people.
Good answer. What are your strengths?
Strengths? You mean What am I good at?
Exactly. What are you good at?
I am good at listening and computer.
Listening and computer skills. Perfect for this job.
Really? I hope I can do this job well.
I think you can. When can you start?
Start? You mean I get the job?
Yes. Welcome to the company.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I am so happy.
At a community center.
Hello. Welcome to the community center.
Thank you. This place is big.
Very big. What activities interest you?
Activities like sports or classes.
Both. We have yoga, dance, basketball, swimming.
Dance. I want to learn dance.
Dance. Great choice. We have hip hop and salsa.
Salsa. I love salsa. From my country.
You're from Latin America?
No, I'm from Africa, but I love salsa. Haha.
Haha. Salsa is for everyone. When you start?
Tomorrow? Is it very difficult?
No. Easy for beginner. Monday and Wednesday, 7 p.m.
Monday and Wednesday. Perfect. How much?
$30 per month. Very cheap.
30 is good. I want to join.
Great. Fill this. Welcome to our family.
Lost pet. Hello. Can I help you?
My cat. My cat is lost. Please help.
Your cat is lost. When?
This morning, 2 hours ago, I very worried.
Don't cry. We help. Describe the cat.
Orange and black. Very small. Like this.
Orange and black. How old?
2 years old. Very nice cat. I love him.
We will find him. Name?
Milo. His name is Milo. Very friendly.
Milo. Where did you see him last? Which street?
My house. Oak Street, number 15. Please find him.
Attention. Lost cat Milo. Orange and black. Oak Street.
Oh, you tell police? Everyone?
Yes, we search. You go home, wait. Okay?
Oh, really? You search for my Milo?
Yes, don't worry. Cats come back. Usually.
Complaining about a noisy neighbor. Hi, what's the problem?
My neighbor, so loud. Music, very loud.
Music at night? What time?
2 o'clock. 2 in the morning. I cannot sleep.
2 a.m.? That's very late. How many times?
Every night. 3 nights. 4 nights.
That's not okay. Have you talked to neighbor?
No, I am scared. They are very big person.
Don't be scared. I talk to them. Come with me.
You go to their apartment? Now?
Yes, now. We tell them the rules.
Thank you. You are very brave.
It's my job. Hello, open please.
Maybe tonight I can sleep